Afternoon all. I figured I'd do a quick video. Was troubleshooting something on my 2018 Ram 1500. Didn't find really any videos out there, but some helpful stuff on the internet. Anyways, issue is driver side fog light was working. Passenger fog light would not work. I changed bulbs, obviously didn't fix the issue. I took it to the dealership. Dealership told me that they would not support it under warranty because it would have to replace the entire wire harness, but it was a bad connector. I replaced the connector and it didn't fix it, so I had to chase down what the issue was, and I will kind of walk you through here. So this is the light that wasn't working for us. We can see here that I bought some cheap connectors off of Amazon and went ahead and replaced this. I should have not trusted and checked the voltage, but even after replacing this, I was getting no voltage to this connector simply using an ohm meter, using the power onto the white line, or if it's a replacement, it might be a red line, and was getting 0 voltage, and confirmed on the driver's side when I unplugged the bulb, I was getting 12 volts. So pretty simple fix here. Yours may be a little bit different if your connector is bad and you're seeing corrosion. This is just a heat shrink kit, but I will show you underneath the truck. I am, from a placement issue, underneath the radiator right here is where we're going to be looking, directly up under the bumper. Pretty easy to get to. Alright all, we're underneath the truck for reference. This is, let me get focus. This is the fog light for the passenger side. You can see I have a different connector here. All I did was use some heat shrink electrical tape and put the connector back in. But seeming that wasn't working and I wasn't getting any voltage, I started following this harness for the fog lights up. It wraps up around into the middle, and you can see right here where I've done my repair. But for some reason they like to tuck this up underneath the radiator support, and it was completely pinched. I was able to pull on this to try and get the casing out, and the wire was completely disconnected, both the power and the ground. So I simply soldered, heat shrinked and soldered these together, and then I just wrapped them up in electrical tape after I confirmed that I was getting power to that fog light, and that resolved the issue. So if you're having that issue, hope this helps. Cheers.